that one day I would be able to inspire someone. Now, when most people look at my life, they see a nice car, a perfect life, speaking at training sessions, and high-profile clients. But very few people are interested in the journey that led to this point. A person who wasn't a designer, this very chair, from an unfinished building, MediaTek IT school, this is the person who gave me my life. To be honest, when I first started my blog, I was very shy about speaking on camera. So many of my friends used to laugh at me. When I started, I didn't even have any money set aside for this. After trying it for a bit, I even thought that this work just wasn't for me. But as time went by, everything changed. I was born in 1998 in Tashkent into a family of teachers. I can confidently say that my father was an entrepreneur and raised us with everything we needed. But from a young age, they made sure we grew up understanding hard work. I remember well, when I was 13 or 14, I worked at a manufacturing plant. I would go to work at 9 in the morning and return at 6 in the evening. Seeing people there who had been doing the same job for 10 or 15 years, I witnessed their lives passing by like a song on repeat. I saw that life and decided that I needed to do more, that my life shouldn't be spent repeating one task within four walls. And that was the biggest turning point in my life. I tried many different jobs over several years to find myself, and in 2019 I stumbled into the field of digital marketing. I gained knowledge, applied it, and then decided to share what I'd learned with others. Slowly but surely I started running my own blog. I didn't know how to do it, but that couldn't stand in the way of my passion. I took more than 10 different courses. I started filming videos. I was actually terrified of the camera. As soon as the camera turned on, I'd lose my words. Later I realized this is a problem for almost everyone starting their own blog. When I started my blog, I received a lot of negative feedback from those close to me. But now most of them are proud of me. Or they ask me how they can do this work too. Most importantly, by fueling the fire within me, I'm now living the life I once dreamed of. I am free in terms of location, time, and finances in my work. My colleagues respect me, and most importantly, I'm not stuck in a repetitive life. At the same time, I'm not just a content consumer, but a content provider. The experience I've gained on my journey, I've shared it with thousands of people, and I'm always proud to have been the catalyst for positive changes in their lives. If you see yourself in this short story of mine, and if you want to bring new color to your life, most importantly, if you genuinely want to become a content creator rather than just being a consumer, then my lessons and insights are truly for you. A personal brand isn't just a marketing tool. It's an emotional connection, trust, and respect.